RenderDraw is the platform for the messy work before revenue systems get clean data. The hub matters because the work is never just one screen. Specs, drawings, catalogs, rules, approvals, pricing, and customer output all move together. Analytics is where the platform proves itself. You see where time is saved, where a run stalls, and what buyers do after the output leaves the system. Catalogs turn technical requirements into commercial structure. Requirements map to products, source records, and priceable items, so the work stops waiting on a person. Data sources are where the platform meets the systems of record. Salesforce, CPQ, pricing, commerce, CAD, and storage keep every catalog connected to the truth. Interactions capture intent before quoting starts. Customers and sellers get a guided surface, and the workflow begins with cleaner context and fewer loops. Configuration keeps choices buildable. Models, constraints, and guided selection catch bad combinations before they become cleanup or margin risk. Proposals turn evidence into something a buyer can understand. It is not just a polished document, it is a response still connected to the work behind it. Price Studio protects revenue control while everything gets faster. Quote math, pricing authority, and margin rules travel with the workflow instead of sitting outside it. Drawing utilities bring visual evidence into the same operating layer. Takeoff, symbol mapping, CAD context, and human review become traceable parts of the commercial process. Files are the memory of the job. Source packages, CAD assets, generated documents, and handoff artifacts all get a home the workflow can reference. Developer keeps the platform open. APIs, embeds, and integration paths let RenderDraw meet Salesforce, CPQ, portals, and the systems teams already trust. Workflows is where the platform starts acting like an operating system. Intake, AI extraction, catalog matching, review gates, pricing, proposals, and handoffs become one traceable process. That is the platform. One connected path from messy input to reviewed output. Fewer misses, faster quotes, clearer proof.